The much-anticipated pre-poll alliance and seat-sharing talks between Odisha's ruling Biju Janata Dal (BJD) and the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) have hit a roadblock, raising the prospect of both parties contesting the upcoming Lok Sabha and State Assembly elections independently. The talks, which took place in Delhi, failed to resolve differences over two key constituencies Bhubaneswar and Puri, leading to an unexpected standoff. Upon their return to Bhubaneswar on 8 March, BJP State President Manmohan Samal, along with other senior leaders, hinted at the possibility of the BJP fielding candidates in all 147 Assembly and 21 Lok Sabha constituencies in Odisha. Mr. Samal stated that the discussions in Delhi were solely focused on preparations for the upcoming elections, with no mention of an alliance or seat-sharing arrangement. There was no talk on alliance and we, BJP, will go to polls alone, Mr. Samal said as quoted by news agency PTI. We had gone to Delhi to hold discussions with the central leaders on our preparations for the upcoming Lok Sabha and Assembly elections in the state. No talks on alliance or seat sharing with any party were held during the meeting. The BJP will contest the twin polls on its own strength. The apparent breakdown in talks has sparked speculations, especially considering the historical context of the BJD's departure from the National Democratic Alliance, NDA, 15 years ago. Former BJP leader and Minister Sushma Swaraj had then prophesied that Naveen Patnaik, the leader of BJD, would regret severing ties after an 11-year understanding. Seat gain. According to sources, the alliance talks hit hurdles primarily over seat-sharing ratios. While both parties had initially agreed on the idea of a pre-poll alliance, disagreements emerged over the distribution of seats. The BJD sought to contest over 100 seats in the 147-member Odisha Assembly, a proposition the BJP found unacceptable. Conversely, the BJP sought 14 out of the 21 Lok Sabha seats in Odisha, a demand rejected by the BJD. The stalemate over seat distribution escalated, with both parties remaining firm on their respective stances. In the 2019 general elections, the BJD had secured 12 seats, while the BJP won 8 out of the total 21. State unit versus central leadership. Odisha BJP leaders, led by Mr. Samal, held a series of meetings in Delhi for 3 days, engaging with central leaders to discuss the alliance. However, no conclusive decision was reached. The dynamics of the alliance talks seem to have shifted after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the state on 5 March. While some sections of the Odisha BJP leadership are reportedly on board with the idea of an alliance, others, including Mr. Samal, have reiterated their desire to contest the polls alone. Mr. Samal and other party officials gathered at the residence of another BJP leader in Bhubaneswar last night for further discussions. The BJD's V.K. Pandian and Pranab Prakash Das, who rushed to Delhi on Thursday evening via a chartered flight for discussions with BJP central leaders, have now returned to the state capital. Both parties had an alliance for around 11 years between 1998 and 2009, contesting 3 Lok Sabha and 2 Assembly elections together. Odisha has witnessed simultaneous polls since 2004 with a consistent voting pattern until 2014, where voters typically favored the BJD in both Assembly and Lok Sabha elections. However, the 2019 elections saw a departure from this trend, with some degree of split voting observed.